In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an accountant from FreshBooks. If you're updating who has access to your books, removing an accountant is quick and straightforward. Before we start, make sure you're signed in with an owner or admin level account. Only those roles can manage team access. Also, if you manage more than one business inside FreshBooks, double check that you're in the correct company profile so you remove the right person. First, head to your FreshBooks dashboard in a web browser and sign in. When you land on the main dashboard, take a moment to let everything load so the navigation panel appears on the left. If the sidebar looks collapsed, hover over it or click the menu icon to expand it. This area is where you'll find everything related to your company setup, billing, and the people who can access your account. Having the dashboard open ensures you're starting from the centralized view, which makes the next step easy to find. Next, look to the left navigation menu and select Team Members. This section lists everyone who has access to your FreshBooks business, along with their roles and permissions. It's the hub for inviting, editing, or removing access for collaborators, employees, and accountants. Once you're in Team Members, scan the list and locate the person with the accountant role. You can often identify them by a role label in the same row as their name. If your list is long, use any available search or sorting options to quickly surface the accountant you want to remove. Taking a moment to verify the correct person here helps avoid accidental changes. Finally, on the same row as the accountant's name, look to the right for the delete icon, typically a trash can or a remove symbol, and click it. FreshBooks may prompt you to confirm you want to remove this person's access. Confirm to proceed. This action immediately revokes their login to your business, while your invoices, expenses, reports, and historical activity remain intact. Removing an accountant does not delete your financial data. It simply stops that user from accessing it. If you don't see the delete option, you likely don't have sufficient permissions. So you'll need someone with owner access to handle it. After removal, refresh the team members page to confirm the accountant no longer appears in the list. If you ever need to work with them again, you can re-invite them later. That's it. Quick, clean, and secure. Thanks for watching, and remember to review your team list periodically to keep access up to date.